Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a complete system backup using AOMEI Backupper. System backup is one of the most important steps you can take to protect your Windows computer. With just a few clicks, you can make sure that if your system ever crashes, gets corrupted, or infected by malware, you'll be able to restore everything back to normal quickly and safely. Let's walk through the process step by step. Step 1. Initiate system backup. Run AOMEI Backupper, click Backup in the left tab, and then select System Backup. It will automatically detect and list system partitions as a source. Step 2. Select Destination. Please click the destination box to select a destination path. Supported destinations include local drives, internal/external, DVDs, and network-attached storage, NAS, or shared folders. Tips: you can click the Task Name field to rename the backup. Step 3. Additional backup settings. In addition to the aforementioned options, System Backup offers additional features to further enhance functionality and convenience. Schedule backup. Since systems and data are constantly changing, you can set up scheduled backups to automatically back up the system at specified intervals. Backup scheme. With backup schemes, you have the option to choose between incremental and differential backup methods. Step 4. Start backup. Click Start Backup to run the system backup task. Step 5. Monitor/complete backup. When the backup is processing, you can click the underlined sentence to check the backup process in detail. And please kindly wait for the backup process to complete and then click the Finish button. Now you've learned how to create a system backup using AOMEI Backupper. With this backup in place, you can rest assured that your operating system and data are protected, and recovery will be much easier in case of unexpected problems. Thank you for watching here. See you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send us an email.